This is my 16-foot steamboat, 4.5-foot beam, cedar strip with a fiberglass sheathing on the outside. The engine is a Hasbrook #1 with a modified cross slide. The boiler is all copper, about 9 square feet of heating surface, fired with wood, and gets its draft from 2 fans or the steam blower. 40 psi will allow me to cruise at about 4 miles an hour. Increasing the psi or the RPM does not increase the speed, so I believe my propeller is not the correct one. The boat is condensing, so the steam gets condensed and reused over and over. This is the hot well, where the water is where the condensed water is kept and gets pumped back into the boiler as needed. A 4-gallon tank up at the bow gives extra water to compensate for leaks and water mismanagement. It's made out of fiberglass and plywood. 30 amp hour lithium phosphate battery supplies power for the fans and for the light, which also does double duty as a flagpole holder. I have one pump, the one furthest out, that pumps water from my water tank in the bow. Will pump it into the hot well or to the boiler, depending how I adjust the valve. The other pump pumps from the hot well into the boiler, and then the engine-driven pump pumps constantly while the engine is running. This is the heat exchanger that condenses, that the steam gets put through, and then the feed water to the boiler gets preheated. And this is my prop, which I don't believe is the right one. It's 12 by 15 pitch. The chimney for the boiler is a pellet stove pipe, 4-inch diameter. Got an electric bilge pump and a manual bilge pump. And a milk jug for bailing. That's my toolbox. That's about it.